And the best way to take it is put it under your tongue and rub it in your cheek. Don't do too much, you're going to be asleep all afternoon. You know what you should do? No, don't try to communicate, just relax. See what happens. I think you're calmed down. Isn't it amazing?
He used just a single drop, and his hands afterwards were rock steady, and the dyskinesia left.
Who else is going to die?
It works most of the time.
That hits. Did you guys get lunch?
Are you hungry now?
Like, I am.